Welcome back, guys. In this class we're going to study about the operators, like how we use operators in Python language. So first of all, I'm going to discuss the definition of operators. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. So which means that we have certain variables and values, then we perform operations on them. For example, like we perform addition operation or multiplication or arithmetic expression. So we have variables like, okay, for example, like x plus y. So x is a variable, y is a variable, and the plus is an operator. So let me show you here. X plus y and z is equals to. So z is a variable. Sorry, I have a very bad writing. Sorry, I can't write on keypad. And x is v. X is a variable and y is a variable. But this plus is an operator. So I'm representing it with O. And this assignment is an operator. This equals to sign is called as an assignment operator. So that's why, or we can have variables or values. So we can have like z is equals to 5 plus 4, 3 plus 2, 2 minus 4, so anything can be. So in this way we use operators. So there are few things that we should know about operators. Like Python divides operator in the following groups. So there are different types of there are different categories of operators. Number one is arithmetic operator. Number two is assignment operator. So these are arithmetic operator, like plus, minus, multiplication, division is an arithmetic, are the examples of arithmetic operators. Assignment operators are like equal to, not equal to, equal to, equal to. All these are assignment operator. Then we have comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, and then bitwise operators. So mostly we deal with arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, and logical operator. So these four are the most common. So we have discussed this arithmetic and assignment operator. Now we are going to discuss about the comparison and logical operator. So now we are going to discuss about the comparison operator and logical operator. So first of all, comparison operator. So comparison operator is used to compare the two values. So let me show you. The first is equal equals to, and 1 plus 1, and this is the example. So let me show you, like 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So in this way we are actually comparing the two values and the result is true. This operator is called as not equal to or does not equal. So 3.2 does not equal to 2.5, so the result is true. And then we have less than sign, like 10 is less than 5, and the result is false, right? And then we have greater than sign, like 10 is greater than 5, the result is true. And then we have less than equal to, like 126 is less than or equal to 100, which is false. It is actually greater. And greater than equal to, like 5.0 is greater than equal to 5.0, which means that either it is greater or either it is equal to. So in this condition only, if one of the condition is correct, then the answer will be true. So now let's move on to the logical operators. And okay, so these comparison operators mostly used in control statements and in repetitive statements like for loops, while loops, and in control statement means if, else, and break, continue, etc. So now let's move on to the logical expressions. Logical expressions can be combined with conditional statements. So we have some conditional statement and then we combine it with logical operators like and, or, and not, and they are usually used in for loops or in control statements like if and else. And we're going to use all these operators in next few classes. I hope you learned something in this lecture. So that's it for now. See you in the next lecture.